Hello guys, if your USB drive or memory card is not opening in File Explorer and Windows keeps showing error that you need to format the disk before you can use it, this issue usually happens because of file system corruption in drive, or when the drive is unplugged without safely ejecting it first. If you have important data on the drive and don't want to format it, then this video is for you. I'll show you two methods to recover the drive without formatting. First, click on Start menu and open Command Prompt. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type CHKDSK. This is check disk utility we use to scan and repair file system errors, bad sectors, and corruption. After that, type your drive letter. In my case, it's drive E. Then :/F and then press enter. This command scans the drive and automatically tries to fix any file system errors. In some cases, like mine, this method doesn't work and you'll see an error saying the type of the file system is raw. If that happens, don't worry. I'll show you a second method to fix the issue. The first method is very powerful and works in many situations, but if check disk fails, the second method we will use a tool called AOMEI Partition Assistant. With this tool, we can repair the USB drive, memory card, and external drive without formatting it or losing data. After opening the tool, you'll see all the drives connected to your system. From the top menu, click on Recover and then select Partition Recovery. When the Partition Recovery wizard opens, choose your corrupted drive and click Next. Make sure the first option, Fast Search, is selected, then click Next again. Now you'll see a list of partitions. Select the partition you want to recover and click the Proceed button. The tool will start fixing the partition. In most cases, this happens very quickly, but depending on your USB drive and the level of corruption, it may take a little longer. Once the process is complete, you'll see a message saying the partition has been recovered successfully. Now let's open File Explorer. As you can see, my USB drive is back without formatting and all the data is still there. This means we've successfully recovered the USB partition 100% without losing any data. I hope this video helped you fix the format error. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.